prototype, so lots of changes are going to be made and stuff. One of the things I talked to Steve at arrowatv.com, he said this is going to be a little further out so you can have somewhere to grab. The lock is going to be upgraded because the mechanism, the little latch there is a little too flimsy. And my bad, I got this in upside down. The screw's supposed to go in, so this won't stick up. It'll be down through the bottom. It'll be just like the other head of the screws. So I got to fix that. So this is gonna be fun. Can't wait to try out this rack. This is gonna be good. I gotta get the accessories mounted, and then the rest of the quad put back together, and we'll be good to go. All right, just figuring out where I want to put the box. You got a few positions. Brackets can go there, here, or here. So if we go to the front one though, I think that'll interfere with the, well, it's pretty close to the seat. So I think I want a little more room than that to get the seat in. Go to the middle one, depending on how I want to carry the saw. I'm not sure. Maybe I want to go to the furthest one back, carry the saw this way. That way I can strap it on. Something like that. All right, I got the two link mounts mounted. And that just goes in like so. Solid. Nice. Now I can put the other link mounts here and put the gas can up top. So it pains me to drill through a $200 box. Yeah, that's right. That's $200 for this little box. But those will go like that. These little nut inserts come up, go on, and then the bolts, which have Loctite on them already, will fit in like that. Pretty simple to install. So I like my waterproof box to remain fairly waterproof. So caulking on it. Just like that. All right, the only thing is that when you get all the weight in here, you're going to be able to lift this up. It actually comes down on the seat, so it takes some of the weight off. That's perfect. Right on. All right, I'm hoping that works. Pretty stiff there, and that'll open, no affecting it too much. So that should be pretty good. Hopefully that'll work. All right, I emptied my 5-liter container into the new gas can. Oop. A little bit of weight to it, not too bad. So I went with the little bit bigger. That's 11-liter can. That way I won't have to worry about the fuel pump issues that everybody talks about. So it's just easy that way. And just undo that, pull it off, and you don't have to bring it with you if you don't want to. So just slides in, drops in, clips in, and that's that. Very simple.